Welcome. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to change the maximum file size for Autoplay in groups on the Telegram app for PC, following the latest update. First, open your Telegram app on your computer. Once the app is running, look to the top left corner of the window and click the three horizontal lines. This will open the menu. From this menu, select Settings to access your app's configuration options. Once inside Settings, scroll down and click on Advanced. This section contains more detailed controls for how Telegram behaves, especially for things like media and storage. Next, inside Advanced Settings, find and click on In Groups. This option lets you customize what happens specifically with media files and content shared inside your Telegram groups. Under the Autoplay section in the In-Group settings, you'll see a slider bar that controls the maximum file size for videos and media files that will automatically play. To change the limit, simply drag the bar left or right to set the size you prefer. Moving the slider to the right increases the maximum file size allowed for Autoplay, meaning larger files will start playing automatically when you open a group chat. Adjusting this setting lets you balance between saving bandwidth and storage versus enjoying seamless media playback without manual intervention. Setting a higher limit is great if you want videos and animations to start playing instantly, while a smaller limit helps if you want to save data or reduce the app's use of system resources. Once you've set the slider to your desired maximum file size, your changes will be applied automatically. You can now exit the settings and return to your groups with updated Autoplay preferences. That's all it takes to customize the maximum file size for Autoplay in Telegram groups on your PC. By managing this setting, you control how much content plays automatically, tailoring your experience to what suits your needs best. Thanks for watching.